Nightingales are more than just birds. They are legendary songsters, mysterious wanderers, and muses of poets. Here is why these little feathered wonders are so extraordinary. Male nightingales don't just sing, they perform epic concerts with a repertoire of over 1,000 different notes. Their songs are some of the most complex in the avian world, putting most pop stars to shame. Don't let their sparrow-sized bodies fool you. These birds can project their melodies up to 300 meters away. That's like someone whispering and being heard across 3 football fields. While most birds call it quits at sunset, nightingales often belt out their best tunes after dark. Some scientists think they do this in cities to avoid daytime noise. Nightingales don't just stick to their own sounds. They copy other birds, frogs, and even artificial sounds, weaving them into their performances like a DJ remixing tracks. These tiny travelers fly thousands of miles each year, spending summers in Europe and winters in Africa. Not bad for a bird that weighs less than a chocolate bar. Shakespeare wrote about nightingales enchanted by their songs. In myths, they symbolize love, heartbreak, and poetic inspirations. Ladies, take note. Only male nightingales sing, using their voices to woo mates and warn off rivals. Females stay quiet, probably judging their performances from the bushes. Even though their songs fill the air, spotting a nightingale is ridiculously hard. They love lurking in dense thickets, making them the ninjas of the bird world. Their European summer tour is very short but intense. They arrive in April, sing non-stop through May, and vanish by July. If you blink, you might miss them. Sadly, nightingale numbers have plummeted by 90% in some areas due to habitat loss. Conservationists are racing to save these muscle marvels before they fade into silence. Did you know? Some nightingales improvise their songs, meaning no two performances are exactly alike. If you love these birds, like the video. And if you think they need protection, let me know in the comments.